Ipinagtanggol ng model at aktor na si Kevin Dasom ang panliligaw niya sa aktres at komedyanteng si Herlyn Budol laban sa bashers. Kamakailan ay ipinost ng aktor ang mga litrato sa kanyang Instagram account kung saan makikitang magkasama sila ng komedyante. Mababasa naman sa caption ng kanyang post na maraming kumakalat na chika tungkol sa kanilang relasyon ng aktres. Sabi ni Kevin sa caption ng kanyang post, "Lately, there have been a lot of false rumors and chismes circulating about our relationship. I want to be clear. My partner and I are solid talaga, and we know the truth. It's unfortunate and annoying that some people feel the need to stir up drama or try to come between us, but we're not letting negativity or lies affect what we're trying to build together. If you don't know us personally or haven't heard things directly from us, please don't believe everything you hear. We're focused on each other and moving forward with love, honesty, and respect." Matatanda ang inilahad ni Kevin sa isang episode ng The Bubay and Tekla Show na nililigawan na niya si Herlyn.